Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen. You're welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you a simple and easy fruit mix recipe. You make this fruit recipe for you and your family this summer. Let's go straight into the video. I have a clean bowl here, and into the bowl I have mangoes skinned and cut into smaller sizes. I'll add that. Then I'll add some cucumber cubes. Then some pineapple cut into smaller cubes too. And into the bowl I will add some slices of red apple. And I have some grated coconuts. I will top it up with the grated coconut, fresh coconut. I'll just give it a gentle mix. I'll be adding some simple sugar syrup. When you mix your fruits this way, you make your family eat more fruits. I'm topping it up with a simple sugar syrup to add more sweetness to it. After adding the sugar syrup, give it a thorough mix to make sure the sugar syrup incorporates into the fruits for more sweetness. Then I'm topping it up with another coconut flakes, fresh coconuts. Then some peanuts, roasted peanuts. And to add more color and sweetness, I have some cherries here. I'll just top it up with some cherries. Look at how colorful and beautiful it looks. If you love my recipes, please subscribe to my channel. Share and like this video. And stay glued to this channel because I have loads of food recipes to share with you guys. I'm saying a special thank you to my returning subscribers and to everyone that brings out time to watch my videos. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Share this recipe with your family and friends. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section and let me know the outcome when you make yours. You can make the combination of any fruit of your choice and use this method I used. You will still get a very good result. Tasty, yummy fruit mix. Fresh fruit. If you have remnants of fruits in your refrigerator, please don't throw them away. You can make them into a very colorful and delicious fruit mix for your family and friends. And this way, you will eat more fruits. Fruits are very healthy for our body. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video.